Hello everyone, today's lesson is about the mean average. The mean is one of the averages you need to understand in Year 6. It sometimes appears in SATs reasoning questions involving data. So let's begin. The mean is another word for average. To find the mean, we have to add all of the numbers together and then divide by how many numbers there are. Remember, mean equals total divided by number of values. So, let's try an example together so we get the hang of it. Find the mean of 4, 6, and 8. Step 1, we add it together. 4 plus 6 plus 8 is 18. And we have 3 numbers. So we're going to divide 18 by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So the mean is 6. Find the mean of 10, 12, 14, 16. Pause the video and have a go at this one. Okay. So, the first step is to add the numbers together. So, 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 equals 52. Step 2 is we divide it by the number of values. We have 4 numbers here. So, the 52 divided by 4, which is 13. So, the mean is 13. Why do we use mean? The mean helps us understand the typical value in a set of data. Schools, businesses, and scientists all use averages to compare results. So they might have average marks in a school that you should get approximately, and all of the students' grades that they got, the marks that they got, they will compare to the average. And they will see, is it lower than the average? Is it greater than the average? Have they improved? Have they not improved? Things like that. So it's very useful in daily life situations. Make sure that you don't forget to divide. Sometimes people forget at the end to divide. Make sure that you don't divide by the wrong number. You're dividing by the number of values that there are. Don't miss a value when adding. When you add, make sure that your answer is correct. Double check that. And always count how many numbers there are before dividing. Let's try some independently. So I'll give you the question and then you pause the video and have a go, as we do always. Question 1. Find the mean of 2, 4, and 6. Pause the video and have a go. So for this question, we get the total, which is 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 12. We divide it by 3, which is the number of values. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Your answer should be 4. Let's try question 2 now. Find the mean of 8, 10, 12, and 14. So for this one, we have to, as always, add it together. 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14, which is 44. 44 divided by 4, which is the number of values, equals 11. Let's try question 3. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Find the mean of these numbers. So for this one, we have to do 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, which equals 45. Then we do 45 divided by 5, which is the number of values. This is the basic calculating an average formula or problem that you have to do. When you go to secondary school, you'll find other types of averages and things like median, mode, range, things like that. You might have heard of them, but for your SATs, all you need to know is the mean. Today, we learned that mean means average. We have to add the numbers together and then divide by how many numbers there are. Always check your calculation carefully, and make sure that your number that you get as your answer, just to check if it's kind of in the right answer, if before you recheck your working, is if the number is similar to the values you were given in kind of a similar number line to them, it is most likely to be correct. If it's way bigger or way smaller than the set of values you're given, then you might need to recheck and have another go. But make sure you're still checking your calculation as well, just to double check that you've done everything correctly. Our next video will be the last video of our maths subject, which is about graph interpretation. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.